you, listen up. I'm Danielle Lucado, and today's Tuesday, September 27th. Students, are you ready to kickstart your career? Then go down to the Office of Career Services now to submit your resume for exciting internship opportunities. Contact the Office of Career Services in room A1120 for more information. Get ready, everyone, for the return of the king. And I'm not talking Rangers in Rivendell. The King of Pop is back this Saturday at 8 p.m. Head down to the Center for Performing Arts to witness Thriller, The Legend Continues. The concert replicates Michael Jackson's Bad and Dangerous tours and promises to be a musical thrill for all. Lastly, don't forget alumni members to step it up this Thursday. Alumni Steppers classes are every Thursday at 7 p.m. in the cafeteria annex. It's only $5 per class, so contact the alumni office now. That's all we have for today. I'm Danielle Lucado. You have just been twagged.